I'm Julian Paul, Export Sales Director of the brand Sulky and Sky. I've been working in the company since a few months now. I'm glad you are watching this video and I look forward to meet you soon.
Hello, I'm Joachim Brossard. I am Export Area Manager for Sulky and Sky Agriculture for Nordic countries and Central Europe. The target of today is to have a full focus on the fertilization range. And we are here today at Laconnier farm, which is actually a farm but also a training center for our customers. So please enjoy. The Sulky story started in 1936. It means that we got more than 80 years experience in making spreaders, seed drills and soil preparation implements. Today we're going to make a quick walk around the fertilization range, which is including DX range, X range and XT range. We'll give you some very good reasons to choose a Sulky spreader. The DX20 as a working width can work from 9 up to 18 meters. On the DX20 Plus we got working width from 9 up to 24 meters, and on the DX30 Plus we can go up to 36 meters and we can spread urea accurately up to 24 meters. Then we have the X range including X40 Plus, which can go up to 44 meters. And then we got the X50 Plus, which can go up to 15 meters. On the X40 Plus, we can get an upper capacity from 1900 liters up to 3200 liters. And the X50 Plus can go up to 4200 liters. Then we got the XT range, which is mainly dedicated for large-scale contractors and which is including three models, the XT100, the XT130 and the XT160, which are all single axle spreaders. And then we got the double axle spreaders, including the 210 and the 240H for hydraulic drive. So why to choose a Sulky fertilizer spreaders? That's a good question. As you know, mineral fertilizer is a very valuable product, as it is the first cost on an arable farm in front of chemical and diesel. So why to choose a Sulky spreader? It's very simple. We got three main points which are very important. The first one is the accuracy. Why we can guarantee to have a very even distribution in the crops is because we are using a double overlap with 4 layers of fertilizer per disc in combination with a full double overlap. As you know, a fertilizer spreader is working with overlap, so wider is the overlap and even is the spreading in the field. So this is the first reason. The second reason is about the simplicity. Sulky has been always the simplest spreader to set on the market. As you know, sometimes French people can do good things, and Sulky invented the placement point to change and vary the working width in the field, to vary the working width in the field. And having that, just changing the placement point thanks to a spout which is guiding the fertilizer onto the disc, not creating any dust but just gently guiding the fertilizer onto the disc, we can guarantee to have a very good working width. The last point is about quality. Sulky has been always recognized to be a premium product, as now we are offering even 7 years paint warranty. Accuracy, one more point I would like to add is about the border spreading. You know that Sulky today is investing a lot of technology on the border spreading. We are the only one manufacturer which are not using a deflector, but we are using a 3-board system which is actually doing a deviation of the vein to make sure that you have a short vein to spread narrower in the field and to make sure you are not making any dust and to guarantee even spreading for the border doing the headlands. Speaking about technology, Sulky is very well known to get very good results in the field and to avoid striping, as this is the worst nightmare for farmers. To avoid stripings, we are offering the best service on the market with the 30 test to get the online settings, to get always the good settings for your spreader during the season. We are also offering some premium technology such as Econof, which is the section control on the spreaders, which we have been using for the last 10 years now, which is very, very easy to use as we are using a constant speed, running a PTO shaft, so every single tractor on the market can run a section shut-off spreader, Sulky spreader. On top of that, we can do also variable rate application. Sulky was one of the first manufacturers to offer variable rate applications on fertilizer spreaders. And today we can independently do modulation, variation of rate application from the left side independently from the right hand side. So we can do variable rate application left and right independently. On top of that, we got also some very smart features, such as a very well designed rate regulator, oscillating rate regulator, to make sure that you have a constant flow and to avoid dust. So Sulky, just to make a summary, Sulky is very simple to set, it's not making any dust, and it guarantees you to have a very even distribution. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Please contact your local Sulky dealer to get more information, and hope to see you soon.